Hello, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this Ford Focus Titanium in automatic in the stunning metallic mica stone grey with an incredibly low mileage at just 24,032. The titanium model comes packed full of great features, including keyless start button, automatic headlights and auto windscreen wipers. It also features cruise control and speed limiter, DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity with voice activation. Just coming around to the rear of the vehicle here, you'll also see the added benefit of rear parking sensors. This car in particular does also come with front parking sensors as well. If you'd like any more information on this particular vehicle or would like a personalised video, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or give us a call on 01323 898818.